Hi everybody, this is Dmitry from Tritão. We build custom titanium bikes here in Portugal near Aveiro. And here is a recent Aveiro bike, Tritão Aveiro model, that is normally, drop bar, classic gravel. But this exact bike is flat bar. Let me tell you more about it. So here it is, a flat bar Aveiro. Why oh why? Okay, it's easy. We had a customer from Switzerland come up to us and asking, like, hey, I like your Aveiro bike, but I don't like drop bars. Would you be able to build it in a flat bar version? And we were like, yeah, why not? Because the thing is, since Aveiro is a really like a forward geometry, it's a long top tube bike, so it's kind of, it's almost the length of a mountain bike frame of this size. It's although it's designed to be used with a gravel fork, short axle to crown length, but with a slightly longer stem, it actually matches the fit of a bike that is used with a flat bar. So we didn't really have to do much, just install quite a slightly longer stem, and that's it. And we had a fit form that the customer sent us, and it with this stem and no spacers under the stem, it actually matched exactly what his fitter wanted him to achieve. So this bike is for nice and light commutes to work and some extra riding for fun. Nothing racy, just having fun with your bike like we used to do when we were kids. So and it all started as a simple bike, like a simple setup of an Aveiro. Our simple setup starts as at 5,500 something euros. This bike was more expensive than that because it kind of grew up as we were building it. First, the initial transmission that was supposed to be a rival, we switched it to Force. Well, the customer asked us to do so we did. So it's got the new Force with the direct mount, no derailleur hanger, nice and clean, carbon fiber crankset. Then the carbon fiber crankset kind of asked for carbon wheels, and so we delivered. These are the Industry 9's UL 250, and you see they have nice color coding. So this bike has purple parts somewhere here and there. So only 2 spokes on each wheel are purple anodized to show the location of the valve. Also the hubs are purple anodized, nice and clean. Same in front. So these are pretty light wheels there. I think 1,200 grams or slightly bit more, but they're really light. So we kept on playing the matchy game and ended up with this Chris King era set, purple headset matched with the standard of the integration is the FSA. So it's got the FSA stem and FSA KFX handlebar, and some more purple parts. These lock-on grips by Wolf Tooth. Yep. And some Hope brakes. So these could also have some purple parts, but we didn't want to go too crazy, so they're black. and some purple wolf tooth screws here and there, nice and clean. And of course the Chris King seat clamp. I love this color, just beautiful. Oh, you can see my fingerprints. Sorry, I've been touching this frame too much. Maybe it's a little bit illegal. And of course we've got this thing that maybe it's the first video I'm actually showing this. This is our new carbon titanium seat post. So the upper part is 3D printed in titanium and the tube is carbon fiber. All the parts are made in Europe. So this is the zero offset version of this seat post. We also make a 25mm offset version. Looks nice and perfectly matches the frame style. By the way, look at the frame. It's one of those rare Aveiro frames that is completely hand brushed. It's glossy. The whole frame is glossy. The dropouts, the yoke. By the way, check out the tire clearance. It's just, ooh, where's the focus? Punch. Oh yeah, the purple chain. And it's got these pieces of wax, because we're now waxing chains. If you want them, we can do it before we adjust the bike, so it starts its life absolutely clean and there's no oil and there is no dirt, extra dirt. Nice and clean. This side, you can still see some, you know, it's a new bike. We're shipping it soon, so there is some packaging, spacers for pedals. I love the shape of the 3D printed dropouts. It's just, look, just like, oh. This is crazy. We've been doing this for 2 decades now, these bikes, and I am still like a baby, like a kid on Christmas. Oh yeah, there is one more purple thing, those center lock nuts. Almost matching the Industry 9 purple color. Settle is the classics. The Selle Italia Flight with titanium rails. This is what the customer is using on his other bikes, and he just wanted this exact saddle and nothing else, and we provide it. So the weight of this bike, as shown, is something like 8.1 kilo. 8.1 kilo. This is so light. It just, I mean, look at it. Look at it. I just like, it's so light. Super light. I mean, my personal bike is slightly heavier, but I feel even like 500 grams is so much difference, and this is just so light. I wish my commuter bike was so light. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Stay with us for more crazy and nice bikes. Thanks. Bye-bye.